guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my top 7 favorite red lipstick. And with Valentine's Day around the corner, you can never go wrong. So if you guys want to see this video, please stick around. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And guys, be sure to leave me any comments in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So the first lipstick I'm going to share with you is this one from Sephora, and that is what I'm wearing on my lip presently. And this is a cream lip satin. So this is very soft on the lip. It's very moisturizing, it's not too dry, and this is very long lasting. When I wear this out, I only have to reapply or touch up like only once. This will last all day, so this is a very good buy. Again, this is from Sephora, so this is the Sephora red lipstick. Gorgeous color. I love this one. This is one of my fave. So this one that I'm wearing is from Milani, and this is Fixation in the number 33, and this has a warm orange undertone. It's perfect for darker skin women. It dries really matte. The only problem I have is that it leaves residue, and I always have to moisturize my lip before and after using this one, because this one can make the lip very dry. So that's the only problem I have with this one. But you could have this in your collection. This is an easy buy. I think this was $7.99 at the drugstore, so you can pick this up whether it's Walgreens or CVS. Very affordable, but it's gorgeous. So the next red lipstick I have to share with you is from Maybelline, and I love the packaging. For a drugstore lipstick, the packaging is super gorgeous, and this is in the shade 895, and it is called On Fire Red. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with my Jordana Sedona Red lip liner, and let's see what that combination looks like. This pencil is super gorgeous. I love it. So the finishing is semi-satin. It's very moist. It doesn't dry my lip out, and I like that. It could last up to 5 hours depending on how long you're gonna be out for. But this is what it looks like. Very pretty, very soft, sexy, seductive. I love it. And this is also easily removable. You just use your wipes, and in one wipe everything will come off. Next, I'll be going in with BR, and this is Beauty by Rudy, and this is in the shade Wildfire. And I love this lipstick. The consistency is so creamy. This is a gorgeous red. Oh, and it smells beautiful. Ooh. A little goes a far way with this one. You notice I didn't even have to re-dip it in, because this just spreads evenly, and this is so moisturizing. Oh my god, This feels so good on my lips. My lips are feeling extremely soft, very plush. It's a beautiful color, and this one lasts all night. This is a must-have in your collection. Again, this is BR Beauty by Rudy, and this is in the shade Wildfire. This is a cracker red. Woo! I love this one, honey. Yes. Beautiful color. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it. This is another red lipstick from Milani, and this is in the shade Armoire. And this one has a pink undertone. Dries very matte. But again, it's another affordable lipstick that you can get in your drugstore. And it's very wearable, really. Dries easily. And there you have it, Armoire. So next I'm going in with another Milani, and this packaging is gorgeous, and this is a very deep red, and I'm gonna be pairing it with Night Moth from MAC. Let's see what that looks like. This smells so good. Oh my god, this is so yum. Wow. This smells really good. This is gorgeous. So again, this is Milani, and this is in the shade Best Red 07. It's very soft on my lips. It is semi-matte. Very gorgeous. I love it. The next lipstick I'm going in with is Ruby Woo, and that is from MAC. And Ruby Woo is no stranger to us. Ruby Woo is a very red matte color, and I'm gonna be pairing it with my NYX lip pencil, and this is in the number 804 Carbonate. So let me outline my lips. Normally, if I'm going out and I'm wearing Ruby Woo, I always have to moisturize my lip first or exfoliate my lip, because this definitely cracks your lip up. So this is it. And Ruby Woo is a very gorgeous color. You can never go wrong with Ruby Woo. So there you have it. Those are my top favorite lipstick for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave me a comment in the description bar below letting me know which colors were your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.